If you want to quit your day job and want to enjoy financial freedom, then this video is for you. Stay till the end and I'll give you a step-by-step blueprint on how you can do that. By the way, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for the latest updates on my videos. Hi, I'm Harshit Mohan. I am a stock market investor and trader by passion. I am father of a lovely daughter, husband of a loving wife, and I'm also the founder of Peaceful Wealth Community. So let me quickly share my mind map and I'll tell you what is that blueprint which you should follow to attain this financial freedom. So first of all, we will see what is the meaning of this term called financial freedom. A lot of people are using this word these days, but then it is not very clear to a lot of them, like what is the meaning of this word. So basically, financial freedom means ability to take decisions without worrying about finances. Like you don't worry at all, like what will happen to my income, what will happen if I do this and do that. So this clause, like what if you are not bothered about it, then it is a financial freedom for you. Okay, so you want to travel abroad or you want to travel the world, but you are not worried about the finances, that is financial freedom, right? And the definition can vary from person to person. For you, if you are able to get 1 lakh per month from other income sources apart from the job, it may be financial freedom for you. For other person, 5 lakh per month from other income sources may be the definition of a financial freedom, right? So the amount may differ, but then the idea is that if you are able to live the life you want without worrying about finances, then it is the financial freedom. Now let me share with you what are some of those steps that you need to follow in order to achieve this kind of lifestyle. So first step is you should know how much capital you will need at a certain age. Whenever you want to retire, whenever you want to achieve financial freedom, whenever you want to quit your job, what is that capital that you should have with you? So you should be aware of that. Now, I have already shot a video on this topic, like how much capital you will need at the time of your retirement. The link has been given below in the video here. So just go and watch that video and you will come to know what is that capital that you will need. And in order to find that out, you will also have to understand your expenses, income and investments at present. Okay. So that particular video which I talked about will help you to find this out for you. That is the step number 1, awareness, like awareness of how much capital you will need. Now step number 2, you need to learn a valuable skill which creates another income source for you, right? So when you learn some valuable skills, what happens is you create multiple sources of income. And creating multiple sources of income like MSI is a very crucial step in achieving financial freedom. Now what are some of those MSIs? Let me tell you. So number 1, trading in stock market, which is one of my favorite MSIs. Affiliate marketing, digital courses, drop shipping, rent from property, like most people know about this. But there are various other MSIs which people are not aware of. Offline businesses. Now offline businesses can be, you can open a shop, you can do a startup, you can run a startup, or you can open a restaurant or any other thing. But the idea is you should focus on creating MSIs so that you reduce your dependence on your job. And when your dependence on job is over, then your financial freedom journey, actual financial freedom journey starts. So I have created few MSIs for myself out of different MSIs in the world. Trading in stock market is one, affiliate marketing is one, rent from property is one, and there are some other MSIs also which are working for me. You decide what is the MSI that you resonate with the most. Now third step, increase your savings. So just having a MSI is not enough, because if you are getting more income but then if you are not able to save out of it, it makes no sense. You are making 10 lakhs a month but then you are spending 10 lakhs, all 10 lakhs into few things like which are not required, you're not saving anything, then it is of no use. So increase your savings also, and you should target a savings of minimum 20% of your income. When you are able to achieve minimum 20%, you are in the right direction. Next step, after increasing the savings, you should focus on increasing the investments. So you are getting good income, you are saving good part of it, but then you are not getting returns which are beating the inflation. So inflation is 6% and the returns on your savings is just 3%. Then how you are beating the inflation? You are not beating the inflation. So ultimately you are eroding your wealth. You are not increasing your wealth, you are actually decreasing it. So increase investments, and the minimum amount that you should put into investments every month or year should be minimum 20% of your income. Okay. Now the next step, keep learning, investing, saving and improving your finances. So you have created multiple sources of income, you are focusing on increasing your savings and you are focusing on increasing your investments. Just keep doing this, just keep repeating this in a loop with proper discipline. Okay, and over a period of time, maybe 5 years or 10 years, depending on your requirement, you will definitely achieve your goal. Definitely you will achieve your goal. Now, it is not just that you create a MSI, you increase the savings or you increase your investments, you will become financially free. It is not as simple as that. There are few other things, subtle things, which are very important. Now, what are those other subtle important things that you should take care of? Number one, keep company of good people which are like-minded just like you. So if you are aspiring to acquire a skill in one particular area, surround yourself with people who are good in that area. And when you surround yourself with these people, automatically you will improve your skill. Okay, so when you go to a gym and you see a lot of people who have very good body, so you get inspired looking at them and you ask them for the tips, they also share you the tips, and then you also keep a target in your mind that okay, I also have to have a body like that person. So same way, whenever you are surrounded in a community of like-minded people, you will always feel encouraged and motivated to achieve your goals. Alright? Second, stay away from negativity. World is full of negative people. Positivity is very less in this world, and if you surround yourself with negative people, if you watch negative news, or if your mind is always going towards the negativity, then it is actually acting as a sucker of energy, right? It is not giving you the positive energy, it is taking the energy from you, right? So it's pulling your legs behind. So instead of pushing it forward, you are pulling yourself back when you think negative. Don't think negative, be positive, surround yourself with positive people and be focused. Okay, always be focused on your goals. So you should have your long-term goals, short-term goals, what you want to achieve today, what you want to achieve in this week, what you want to achieve in this month, in this year, in the next 2 years. You should have some clarity. Okay, when you have this clarity, then you will move with focus and you will start achieving your goals one by one. Now, very important, follow a mentor. Follow a person who has been through that journey, who knows the pits and falls of that particular journey, who can help you navigate that journey in a short span of time. So without a mentor, your journey can be 10 years long, 20 years long, or you may not achieve your target at all, which is the most common case. But when you have a mentor who has been there, can reduce your time to maybe half or 1/3, because that mentor knows that what are the mistakes people do. So when you learn from the mistakes of the mentor, you basically cut short your time to the success. So follow a good mentor, it's very important. Have faith in your abilities. So on this way, on this journey, definitely you will have lot of occasions when you will have self-doubt. You will feel, am I worth to do this? Am I in the right direction? Do I have the skills or the confidence, or do I have the required mindset to achieve this? You will have all these kind of questions. Self-doubt, which they say. Don't have the self-doubt. Always believe that you will be able to achieve your goals. And one day you will. Okay? And last but not the least, cultivate an attitude of giving. As they say, the more you give, the more you get. Give more you want in return. So if you want to get more money, start giving money to the needy people. Start helping people who want, who are in need of money. So when you start helping people, you will see something happens which we cannot explain well, but some situation will change in your life which will help you to get that money, get more money, right? It has happened with me multiple times. So when I give more, I get more. Right? You want to get love from people, start giving love to people. Start loving people. When you start loving people, people will also love you back. So when you want more money, start to give money. Okay? Help needy people, poor people, and definitely you will start getting more money. You want more knowledge, start giving knowledge. So when you start giving knowledge, you will get more knowledge in return. This is how the world works, right? So I hope this video gave you an insight into how you can achieve your financial freedom in clear and simple steps. If you like this video, please spread it to your friends, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment box below what are your thoughts on this. So thanks for watching, take care and have a good day.